Thank you, Marlicia. So as Marlicia already started, I'm going to elaborate on who exactly pays for all these costs. First off, the patients. These nurses who are contributing to the workplace violence may also be hateful towards their patients, or the patients may not receive the care they deserve if their nurse is coping with workplace lateral violence. Family members may also witness some of the violence between these nurses. They may also not trust these nurses to care for their loved ones as a result of this. Administration is always having to hire new workers due to the workplace violence. They may not like the environment and want to change jobs. Managers have to be involved in these situations because they're having to mediate between the two nurses or several nurses, and they may also have to reprimand their employees. The nursing staff also suffers. When a nurse who is not feeling comfortable in their workplace, they are not going to give their best care that they can. It affects them emotionally and mentally. In the end, it affects everyone. Everyone pays one way or another. So what can we do about it? Organizations can promote a healthy workplace environment for their employees. They can teach, encourage, and be receptive of skilled communication amongst their nurses. They have to work together collaboratively for it to work. There has to be effective decision making when it comes to workplace violence cases. They also need to understand and recognize these situations to protect their employees. They must be good leaders and make good judgment. And most importantly, they need to implement and also enforce a zero tolerance policy for workplace lateral violence. So what can you do if you are the victim of lateral violence? You should be able to recognize it, and you should also know your rights. You do not have to tolerate this in any workplace, and you should be able to report it. Be knowledgeable about the policies and workplace procedures for your place of employment. Be prepared for the organization to replace greater concern for the organization's interest over your true or perceived claims of violence. You need to document all incidences and include a location, a scenario, and witnesses. And finally, you need to seek legal counsel if needed. You must protect yourself